Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 5 captive screws in the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest. Slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Pull up on the tab to remove the SSD covering. Remove one 2mm screw from the SSD. Gently pull back to unplug the SSD from the motherboard. Plug the new SSD into the motherboard and replace the one 2mm screw. Replace the SSD covering. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 5 captive screws in the bottom cover.